अबाउट द वाइड रेंज, मतलब रीचिंग, मतलब हमारे पहुंच की कोई बाउंडेशन नहीं होती है। एंड एज लाइक इंस्टाग्राम, इंस्टाग्राम इज द सब्सिडरी ऑफ द फेसबुक, ये फेसबुक का ही एक सब्सिडरी है। एंड देयर इज वी पोस्ट देयर प्रोडक्ट्स इमेज, एंड we connect in this state in that type in Instagram. we we connect to the influencer, and we completed their marketing of product by the influencer and by himself and others. Twitter marketing strategy. And also on the Twitter, we can we explore their company's profile, and we update their company's news, and launching about the product, and 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 many things which we upload on the Twitter. And LinkedIn is the professional site. LinkedIn is a professional site for business purpose. And at that time, in that platform, we apply, we post their internship and jobs which are upcoming in the company. YouTube marketing is the YouTube marketing. We introduce their products in the YouTube, by the YouTubers, and they some are most popular in the YouTube industry. And next slide अब है हेलो। हाँ, why does your business want to be on social media? And then this is the most interesting sub question. Increase brand awareness. By the social media marketing, we increase the brand awareness. When we all are know कि most of the youngest people come on the way, मतलब come on the social media platforms, and gather the information and entertaining purpose. Then we increase our brand awareness of the company, and we increase the revenue or sales, as like what which is the purpose of the company. Drive traffic your website. Yes, it is also important. uh, by the social media marketing, we can improve their traffic which are comes before, and when we move on the social media marketing, then improve their traffic on the websites, generates new leads. And by the social media marketing, we can generate the big, मतलब इसमें हम मतलब कुछ जैसे भी प्रोडक्ट को हम बुक मतलब लॉन्च करते हैं, तो उसमें हम कुछ अच्छे मतलब इन्फ्लुएंसर के कांटेक्ट में आके और उसको अच्छे से प्रोड्यूस कर सकते हैं, एंड उसको मतलब अच्छे से मार्केट में ला सकते हैं, और ग्रो द रेवेन्यू और अपने रेवेन्यू को इंक्रीज कर सकते हैं बाय द सेल्स एंड अदर पर्पज। बूस्ट ब्रांड एंगेजमेंट। इसमें सोशल मीडिया मार्केटिंग लॉस्ट मतलब कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव होता है, तो इससे हम अपने कॉस्ट को वहां से कॉस्ट को निकाल के और मतलब अदर पर्पस में यूज कर सकते हैं, जिससे ब्रांड ब्रांड इमेज अच्छी हो सकती है। बिल्ड अ कम्युनिटी अराउंड योर बिजनेस। एंड बाय द सोशल मीडिया मार्केटिंग वी बिल्ड a community, or a relationship with the customer and other business pupils, and provide social customer service. Yes, by the social media marketing, we have provided many types of services or products. Increase mention peers. Yes, we 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 always prepare for advancement to the peers, because अगर हम एडवांस नहीं होंगे, then peers come ahead, and we left backside of the peers. And listen to conversation about your brand. दिस इज मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग कि हमको मतलब हमको ये मॉनिटर करते रहना चाहिए कि हमारी ब्रांड के बारे में या फिर हमारे प्रोडक्ट के बारे में क्या चर्चाएं चल रही हैं। जो भी चर्चाएं चल रही हैं, अगर कोई निगेटिव चर्चा है या फिर पॉजिटिव है, तो हम उसका पॉजिटिव है देन उसका हम रेस्पॉन्स ना करें चलेगा, बट नेगेटिव है तो उसको पॉजिटिव में कन्वर्ट करना बहुत जरूरी है। एंड I would like to call Amit Madesia to explain the other parts of the
No,
presentation.
no,
Yes, sir.
no.
Sorry, Abhay. Abhay.
Thank you, Akash. Thank you, Akash. Very good morning, everyone. My name is Abhay Mishra. Now I am going to next question, which is who is your target audience? Once you have figured out your audience, what the next thing to consider is your target audience. Understanding your target on audience will help you more easily answer the following questions on what, where, and when you are going to share. Like uh, like what are they interested in that you can put, like entertainment, educational content, case information, product. And next thing, where do they usually hang out online, like Facebook, Instagram, and media platform? And when do they look for the type of content you can provide, like weekends during their daily commute? एंड वाई डू दे कंज्यूम कंटेंट, मतलब क्या ऐसा रीजन है जो वो आपका जो कंटेंट है वो कंज्यूम करें, लाइक बेटर जॉब के लिए, और आप कोई हेल्दी हेल्दी चीजें उनको बताते हैं, जैसे कैसे जिम करें, रूटीन फॉलो करें.
क्या हो गया अमित, कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो गई?
सर लग रहा है कि नेटवर्क कनेक्टिविटी की वजह से अभी लेफ्ट हो गया है.
अच्छा अच्छा, आकाश तुम कंटिन्यू करो. और ये स्क्रीन क्यों नहीं शेयर हो रही?
सर अभी डिस्कनेक्ट हो
वही
गया.
शेयर कर रहे
नो नो
थे.
सर, आई एम
अच्छा तो
देयर.
स्क्रीन शेयर करो, स्क्रीन शेयर करो.
सर आवाज आ रही है?
हाँ हाँ
हाँ हाँ.
ऑडियो करो.
Next slide is what are you going to share? When you see this question, you might be thinking about the type of content to share, videos or images. But hold on for a second, because we are talking about social media strategy here. So it's take a step back and think on a higher level. Instead of the type of content to share, theme might be better. There are few brands and their themes, like like sorry, like Mounties and understand share photos from their customer and photos of their product on their Instagram profile. And adventure brand share their editorial content and high quality photos of the outdoor and their Facebook profile. And Burrow, a luxury coach brand, mostly share memes on their Instagram profile. Now I would like to call my friend on for further steps. Amit?
Yes. Thank you, Abhay. Thank you, Abhay.
Amit?
So my next slide is what are you going to share? What are you going to share? So when we ask these questions, the first things comes in our mind, the platform. Which type of platform of social media we should use for the our content to the promotion, our organization or company for the brand image purpose. So which platform are your target audience most active on? What makes them visit that platform? For example, teenagers and young adults might like scrolling through Instagram when they are bored to see what their friends are doing or whether their favorite brands have new products. And another things to consider is what is your brand's uh, just like X. Uh, are you great photography, video, or writing? Uh, Certain platform lend itself well to certain content types. For example, photos are great on Instagram, long form videos on YouTube, and LinkedIn is known as for the professionals who is job seekers and who want to deliver their ideas and who want to motivate to people uh, their content. That's so they are using YouTube. Why they are using the YouTube? Because they can explain each and everything very clearly on the YouTube, because YouTube facilitates you facilities that the other social medium uh, platform not provides you. You can post your videos 10 minutes, 3 minutes, more, a long video. You can upload your videos on YouTube, and it's a facilitates also a live a live video streaming. And Instagram. Why Instagram is known as? It is a uh, it is known as a images, because if you want to observe anything through images, that Instagram is the good platform to uh, know about anything. So that's lots of celebrities are on Instagrams and influencer who have a good marketer and who has a good fitness gurus are also on the Instagram. And the most of the memes are making on Instagram, and Facebook is also. In Instagram, there have a separate platform if you want to know any ideas or anything that you can observe from the Instagram. And Instagram gives you facilities also, the business Instagram. If you want to make a business profile on Instagram, it is easy to make. Anybody can make their profile. Uh, First of the things that we are using a personal account, and it is also convert in the business account. And there is a lots of facilities on business accounts that you can your promote your brands, products. After that, you can get earn money a lot. And so this is the things that I'm going to tell you, the platform where where are you going to share. So my next slide is Abhay. Next slide open karo. Abhay. Okay, so my next slide is when are you going to share? When are you going to share? It means that it shows you the time, that which is the best time to post your content on the social media. So it's a very most important for every person. I am talk about sports fans are likely on social media just before, during, and just after sports event to find and interact with content about the event. Athletes might be on Instagram while they are cooling down after their morning or evening workouts. Why they are? Because they are, when they are free, then you can post um, your content on social media. And the other things, next point, people who love to travel might be more active on social media during the weekends when they are planning for their next trips, or during their works break. Then they are dreaming about their next trip. Why I am telling? Because on that time they are free. and the person, when they are free, they are then he go on the social media and scrolling and uh, sub, browsing the social media, and they want to know about the product. And the other point is mother of babies might be scrolling through social media when they are breast feeding in the middle of the night. The middle of the night, you can post your content related to the your consumer, and you have know about the what is your product, and you can decide which type is a good relevant time to post the content. And my next slide, please open. Okay. Finally, my next point is finally how are you going to execute the strategy? Uh, in this in this point, I'm telling you some points. That those find your voice and tone, that you have your maintain, or you have uh, work on the your voice and tone. And in your voice and tone, what is comes in your mind? The first questions, you consider yourself as a brand. Okay, so you can ask yourself, if your brand was a person, what kind of a personality would it have? Matlab, which type of, you have a personality if you are a brand. And you can suppose that I am a brand. Okay, so uh, if you consider that your personality, that always you shows your personality will be good on in front of the consumers. And my next point is, if your brand was a person, what's their relationship to the consumer? If your brand is your if your brand is a person, that first of the things that you maintain a relationship with the all of the your colleagues or anything. But as a brand, you as a brand person, you maintain the relation and good relation with the consumers. And the next point, are there any companies that have a similar personality to yours? If you think that you have a personality just like another personality is also over here, it's mean that he is your competitor. Okay, so if he is your competitor at this condition, you have to improve yourself. How can you improve your brand, and what is innovation include in yourself, and you can implement and you can show the brands. That's why your brand will be a number one position. And my next point is, how do you want your customers to think about your company? And the things you just focus on, if your brand is what have a perception in their mind of consumers, what they think about how it is company is and I want to give an example. That's Apple is a company, and he's the it is the very biggest company, and everybody known as and it is known as a most selling in selling and the expensive phone, and their feature is very good. uh, so this type of the things, how which type of content you create on the consumer mind, that is the in this point. And thank you for listening me carefully, and I have
Okay, thank you, Amit. It was good.
thank
It
you.
was good presentation. Okay, Amit, tell me, how do you measure social media success, social media performance? How can you measure? How can you measure Instagram performance or Facebook performance, any social media platform performance?
Sir, if we want to measure the performance of our social media, then we have to consider the which type of which people are like my post maximum, or which type of post dislike them, and and how many comments are negative, how many
Correct.
comments are positive. At this,
Correct.
yes, sir.
Okay, fine. The next group, roll number 4, अमृता. कौन कौन है? अमृता, अनामिका, अनिमेश. देखिए आप लोग
सर
हाँ, आप लोग
सर लैपटॉप में से कुछ इश्यूज आ गए हैं सर अभी.
ये प्रॉब्लम.
हेलो सर.
अभी देखो मैंने
सर लैपटॉप में सर कुछ प्रॉब्लम आ गई है सर.
मैंने बोला था कि जो है मेरे पास स्लॉट बहुत लिमिटेड है, ठीक है, फिर पॉसिबल नहीं हो पाएगा वापस
यस
फिर से
सर. आप
प्रेजेंटेशन
नेक्स्ट
ले
वाला
पाए.
लीजिए सर अभी.
हाँ
सर आप नेक्स्ट वाले लीजिए, बस हम लोग दे रहे हैं सर. सर नेक्स्ट
अब
प्रेजेंटेशन लीजिए
कैसे?
सर, हम लोग
अभी
तब
तो
तक
मेरे
सर
ख्याल से
दे
टाइम
रहे
ही
हैं सर.
ओवर हो
लैपटॉप में
जाएगा.
कुछ
अभी
इश्यूज
कितना
आ गए हैं
टाइम है?
सर.
10 मिनट तो बचे हुए हैं अभी कुल मिला के. 10 मिनट में 10 मिनट में क्या होगा?
सर
चलो ठीक है. अभी नेक्स्ट ग्रुप कौन सा है?
यस सर.
अंजनी,
अंजनी, अंकित,
अंकित,
अंजनी,
अंकिता.
अंकित, अंकिता.
आप लोग शेयर
यस
करिए.
सर. अंकिता शेयर करो.
सर नेक्स्ट क्लास में दे देंगे हम लोग सर.
क्यों, क्या हो गया? क्या प्रॉब्लम हो गई?
सर आज टाइम
10 मिनट में नहीं
बचेगा
हो
सर.
पाएगा? 10 मिनट में नहीं हो पाएगा?
सर हो जाएगा, जब तक ये चल रहा है तब तक
हाँ,
सर मैं ट्राई कर रही हूँ.
हाँ कोशिश करो, देखो एक बार अगर हो जाए तो बहुत अच्छा है. 10 मिनट अभी है, हो सकता है. कोशिश करो
ओके
क्योंकि हम लोग के
ओके
पास
सर.
बचे नहीं है स्लॉट. ठीक है, चलो कंटिन्यू करो.
सर इज दिस विजुअल?
और आप लोग जो है चैट
yes,
बॉक्स
yes.
में मैसेज कर दो रोल नंबर, नाम, ठीक है. और बाकी जिन्होंने क्विज दिया हुआ है मैं उनको अटेंडेंस दे दूंगा. ठीक है, सभी ने दिया हुआ है ना? जिसने नहीं दिया हुआ है क्विज वो इधर मैसेज कर देना. ठीक है, दोनों में मैच कर लूंगा. ओके ठीक है, चलिए स्टार्ट करो. अंकिता.
Good morning, sir. I am Ankita Shrestha with my group members Anjani Kumar, Ankit Tiwari, here to present a topic: analytical comparison of traditional marketing to digital marketing. So, firstly, let us know about what is traditional marketing. Traditional marketing refers to any type of marketing that is not online. This means print, broadcast, direct mail, phone, and outdoor advertising like billboards. From newspaper to radio, this method of marketing helps to reach targeted audiences. Or we can also say that traditional market is not only the one of the oldest forms of marketing, but also one of the most researched. Marketers lean toward this method because it is tried and true. Everyone encounters some of the short traditional marketing in their everyone's life, reading a magazine or reading daily newspapers. Here are the few examples of the traditional marketing: magazines, flyers and brochures, radios, billboards, newspapers, etc. Here are the few of the advantage of the traditional marketing. Firstly, reach local audiences. Here, by advertising on FM radios, local edition of the newspapers, you can easily target the potential customer in a particular cities. Or flyers in the mail also helps to target specific areas or audiences. And the second one is easy to understand. Anyone without internet can also be reached through this approach, and people can understand easier that what this print try to convince or try to say. And in third, the material can be kept. In the traditional marketing, which like material which you provide, people can easily kept with their own. And in this, advertising, flyers, magazines, which help the audiences to kept those materials for the future recalling for the future. They may help to recall all those materials or all those medias or like magazine newspapers. Disadvantage of traditional marketing, it is very expensive. As we know, advertising in the newspaper, radio, TV ads can be very expensive. No wonder most of the TV ads are just a few seconds, and it cost is very high, and it is less engaging, it is more passive form of marketing, and there is a little engagement. It also consists of providing information to the customer and hoping that they will surely purchase or they may be purchased. And in third, difficult to measure ROI, return on investment. In the traditional marketing, it is very difficult to measure ROI because your audience is very wide and there is a little means by which you can measure conversion rates. For instance, you don't know who see your post or who see your magazines, newspapers, and who are looking your those magazines or flyers, newspapers, and you can't measure that who are going to buy or through which through which medium like newspaper flyers they will convince to buy. And the further digital marketing are explained by Ankit Tiwari.
Thank you so much. Digital marketing. The first of all, what is digital marketing? Digital marketing is the marketing that utilize internet and online-based digital technology. It is a development of the computer, mobile phones, and other digital media and platforms to promote product and service. Actually, the digital marketing is the action of carried out and using any electronic media platform promotion the good of service. It is a primary internet-based activity aimed at the selling goods or providing services. And next is advantage of digital marketing. First of all, high return of investment. Google Analytics and other tools help you record tuning like the number of the people who visited your website, how many clicked and ads, how long they stayed on the website, how many purchased, and soon this way you can easily means your routes. Second is brand development. Actually, the brand development is their digital platform to build their company's brand and reputation. It is a well-developed website. A blog features quality and useful articles. And third is a low cost. Actually, low cost is the activities of the whole launch sale, and then the traditional method. It is the use includes paid ads and cost of a hiring and agency for marketing. Next is the disadvantage of digital marketing. First is time consuming. Tasks such as optimizing online advertising campaigns and creativity marketing content. It take up lot of time. Second is the complaints and feedback. It is a complaint of feedback is a criticism of your brand, and you are visible to your audience through social your audience and review website negative comments or a failure to respond effectively can change damage your brand reputation. Third is the security and privacy issue. It is a security or privacy issue, a legal consideration around collecting and using customers' data for the digital marketing, and it is a empathy with the rules regarding privacy and data protection. Thank you. Next.
Thank you, Ankit.
Next.
My name is Anjani Kumar. Am I audible?
Yeah,
Yes,
audible.
yes.
My topic, difference between traditional versus digital marketing. पेपर एडवर्टाइजिंग में हम लगभग 25 लाख पीपल से मिल सकते हैं, बट डिजिटल मार्केटिंग में हम मिलियंस एंड बिलियंस पीपल से इंटरेक्ट हो सकते हैं, उन तक पहुंच सकते हैं और अपने प्रोडक्ट को सेल कर सकते हैं. टारगेट ऑडियंस इन अ पेपर एडवर्टाइजिंग इज अ वेरी लो, बट इन अ डिजिटल मीडिया एड्स इज अ वेरी हाई engagement. In that paper advertising, engagement is a very zero, and in the digital media ads, engagement is a very high. Price, paper advertising is a very expensive, and digital media ads is a very low. We can easily in some amount we can post our advertising and reach the maximum people, millions and billions people. Return of investment,
पेपर एडवर्टाइजिंग में हमें कोई गारंटी नहीं होती है कि हमारे मैगजीन्स एंड पोस्टेज पेपर एडवर्टाइजिंग मैगजीन्स को लोग पढ़ेंगे और उसका रिस्पॉन्स करेंगे, हमारे प्रोडक्ट्स को खरीदेंगे कि नहीं खरीदेंगे. बट इन द डिजिटल मीडिया मार्केटिंग we can find high returns with the digital media marketing. Next slide, Ankita. Things to consider when deciding whether you should use traditional or digital marketing. Cost. Digital marketing wins this one hands down. Reach thousands with just a single post online, but don't be too quick to dismiss what traditional media can do in the support of your digital efforts. Traditional marketing that pulls focus on your online initiative can be a great way to expand exposure. And second one is messaging. Digital platform enables you to build a meaningful connection with your audience. Depending on who you want to speak to, you can tailor it fit your marketing efforts accordingly. If you are targeting an older audience, you can use a mix of traditional and digital channel. If you are targeting the millennial generation, it's better to focus on